What up, y'all? This is my 370Z, and it is misfiring, mostly on cylinder 1. The other day, went to pull apart because I broke some PCV hoses, which is this hose right here, and this hose right here. Got all this disconnected, my intake manifold, my intakes. I got that intake box off, throttle body's disconnected. I'm about to have to take off that which holds all of the fuel injectors on the passenger side, and hope and pray that it fixes it. Yesterday, went to pull apart, got some injectors, got some coil packs, swapped out cylinder 1 because I already changed the spark plugs on all of the cylinders the other day when I first started misfiring, and then still misfiring. So got all this disconnected, took me about an hour, and hopefully it doesn't misfire after.